lot of people in this city want me dead. And at the top of that list is Black Mask.
Get ready, ladies.
Unless we all want to die, we're gonna have to work together.
Baby.
Boom! Only at Target. Get exclusive packaging with a digital comic book.
Yes, so cool.
And bonus features. Bird's eye view mode. Behind the scenes with Bruce the Hyena. And the quintessential gag reel.
Who's having a good time? You are. Turn it up!
Take Harley Quinn home.
I dare ya.
Available on Blu-ray and 4K Ultra HD May 12th.